Hi everyone, how are you all? So this is Sai Kiran from LetsUpgrade. I hope that you guys are able to hear me now properly. आवाज आ रहा है क्या? Hello everyone. So please tell me in the chat if you guys are able to hear me. हाँ या ना कुछ तो बता. How are you all? Nice. आवाज आ रहा है. चलो. अब बताओ मुझे कि like क्या from where you guys are joining, what is that? So please tell me in the chat कहाँ से join कर रहे हो, from where you guys are joining, and what is your background, okay, from where, which college, which university, which school, or like which company you are working in. So what is your background? Tell me that. So my name is Sai Kiran and I am the one of the person behind LetsUpgrade. LetsUpgrade का जो brand है, LetsUpgrade के brand के पीछे एक बंदा हूँ मैं, ठीक है. So I'm just only one person. Rest every one of you are you guys. Because of you only LetsUpgrade is running what it is running today. So I thank you all guys for being the biggest pillar of LetsUpgrade right now. And I mean all thanks to you that we are currently 7.5 lakh people in our community. Okay, so now all the people who are with us from very long. Okay, आप में से कितने ऐसे लोग हैं जो आप हमारे साथ बहुत पहले से है? What from when you know LetsUpgrade? So please tell us in the chat. Okay, from when you know LetsUpgrade. The people who don't know about LetsUpgrade. So let me introduce you all to LetsUpgrade in 1 minute. LetsUpgrade is a place where we make future developers. If you want to become a full stack developer, a data scientist, a machine learning engineer, a AI person, or a software guy, God knows whatever in a software industry, we can help you in being that. Okay, मैं तुम्हें help कर सकता हूँ. I mean, मैं in the sense LetsUpgrade will help you in cracking that. Okay, we provide lot of programs for free of cost so that we guys can get started with learning. And once you are very clear in your mind कि हाँ मुझे developer ही बनना है, then you can subscribe to our paid programs. So we do only 3 things. Everything you learn live. Okay, everything you learn live. Everything you build via projects. Everything you learn, you build projects. Third, we have got 150 plus companies who need candidates on a day-to-day basis. Okay, who needs candidate on a day-to-day basis. तो हम कैंडिडेट्स को प्लेस करते हैं, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को प्लेस करते हैं 150 प्लस प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज में. आर यू गाइस क्लियर अबाउट इट? यस और नो? सो आर यू गाइस क्लियर अबाउट इट? सो प्लीज टेल मी इन द चैट राइट नाउ. If you guys are clear, so please tell me in the chat. I am looking forward to your answer. Okay, so tell me in the chat right now. I am looking forward to your chat. Okay, so here we go. Hi everyone. Earn like a Krish is saying last 4 years I know LetsUpgrade. Amazing, yaar. Nice. Thanks a lot that all the people who are there with us from very long while. Thanks a lot for all your support and your presence with us, and we are going to take it to the next level in the coming year also. Okay, so today our agenda is to learn C++ programming. Okay, and to just introduce myself for C++, I have launched an Android app known as C++ Buddy. You can search it on Google also. So I have my own app which teaches people C++. Okay, so that is my background. I have been a good person in C++. मैंने C++ बहुत अच्छे से सीखा है. मैंने उसको I have built lot many projects on C++. I think till my first year of college I was pro in C++, and now also I can teach you guys. So here we are today to learn C++. Okay, are we clear about it? क्या अपन सब clear हैं इसके बारे में? Are we guys clear about it? So please tell me in the chat. So please tell me in the chat यार. I'm looking forward to your answers. Okay, मैं आप लोगों के answers देख रहा हूँ. All I need is your attention, Okay, all I need is your attention. When I say attention, मुझे आप लोगों का response चाहिए. If I get your response, I'll be more and more motivated to talk, or else like I go cold. Okay, मुझे फिर समझ नहीं आता क्या हो रहा है. So how many of you? So before we start learning, थोड़ा friendship बढ़ाते हैं. Okay, so before we get started with learning, which we will do in next 5 minutes. In next 5 minutes, let's understand. Why should we learn C++? Why should we learn C++? C++ सीखने की ज़रूरत क्या है? So why? What is the reason? Why should we learn C++? So let's talk about that in next 5 minutes. I want to know that from you all. Every one of you. So please tell me in the chat why the hell we should learn C++ right now. Okay, many of you may be having this question right now in the chat. So please tell me in the chat ki, to develop desktop programs, Divyansh is saying that game development, okay, and someone is saying DSA, data structures and algorithm. Yes, I agree, data structure and algorithm is one of the important pieces. I agree. Someone is saying, Farooq Syed is saying to develop games and operating system. Game development. I have a dedicated subject. मेरा subject है इसलिए मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. एग्जाम में पास होना इसके लिए पढ़ रहा हूँ. Sexy answer यार. Because that's what I wanted to do since I was a kid. Cafe for cyber. Wow, nice, good answer. It's a medium of communication between human and a computer system. C. Mahesh is also answering very nicely. Then I have got someone like object-oriented programming के लिए पढ़ना है. Shubhangi is answering that for object-oriented programming. She wants to learn C++. All the answers. One of the good answers that I have got right now is competitive programming. To crack competitive programming, data structure algorithm performs the best. Data structure algorithm क्या है, किस किस को पता है ये बताओ. How many of you know what is data structure algorithm? जिन को नहीं पता कोई बात नहीं, मैं बताऊंगा what is data structure algorithm. So how many of you know what is data structure algorithm? So please tell me in the chat. फटाफट. How many of you know what is data structure and algorithms and why do we use it? I am aware. No idea, sir. No idea. कोई बात नहीं. If you are no idea, I will tell you what is data structure and algorithm is all about. Okay, so I will tell you. Don't worry about it. Okay, so now to solve problem. Okay, I know. Okay, so data structure and algorithms is a subject in computer science which teaches you about how beautifully, how efficiently we can solve a problem. Okay, how can we solve a particular problem very efficiently in terms of time, in terms of memory. So memory management सिखाता है, time management सिखाता है in programming. So for example, I'll just give one small example that we have in C++. Okay, data structure algorithm. You want to find the fastest time to complete certain things. Okay, कोई भी एक चीज़ करने के लिए fastest time calculate करना है. वहाँ पे आपका C++ का कोई एल्गोरिदम काम में आएगा. ओके, यू वांट टू सर्च इन थाउजेंड्स ऑफ अ लिस्ट, मतलब लाखों के तादाद में, इन लैक्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी यू हैव गॉट अ लिस्ट array or something like a list of items, a list of documents. In that all documents you have to go and search one particular line item. एक कोई line item ना बहुत सारा बंडल के अंदर सर्च करना है. ओके, there you will be using data structure and algorithm. Are we guys clear about it? Somewhere थोड़ा कुछ idea आया. Data structure algorithm क्या है? Store data in a efficient manner, read data in a efficient manner, and process data in a efficient manner. Are we clear? That's where we use data structures and algorithm. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. So just let me open my notes and let's get started with. Okay, so I am sharing my screen. I will be referring to today's lecture is all about 35-40 minutes kind of lecture. Today's lecture will summarize by 8:40 p.m. tomorrow's class is going to be get started by 9 o'clock. Sorry, 8 o'clock, 8 to 9 o'clock. Okay, so tomorrow's class will start at 8 p.m. and will happen till 9 p.m. Today's class will go from 8 p.m. to 8:40 p.m. Are we guys clear about it? 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 So please tell me in the chat. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear about it. Fine, okay. Now one more thing which I want to say right now. एक और चीज़ जो मुझे तुम सबको बतानी है कि how to mark your attendance in this program. How to mark your attendance in this program so that you can get a certificate from Google Developer Group Mumbai, that is GDG MAD, NSDC and ITM Group of Institutions. ये तीनों लोगों की तरफ से आपको सर्टिफिकेट कैसे मिल सकता है? Let's understand that. So you all are watching me on YouTube, right? You all are watching me on YouTube, I think somewhere here. आप सभी लोग ना मुझे यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, ठीक है? So in this you have got a particular description, right? यहाँ पे description है एक, ये description के अंदर ना shit man, I want to pause this. हाँ, ये description के अंदर एक particular link है. Everything is in one place, everything is in one link. So ये link के ऊपर click करो. You just click on this one particular link. It will take you to this page. ये आपको इस page के ऊपर लेके आएगा. This will bring you to this page. Are you guys with me? Yes or no? So all you have to click is there is a particular link in a description. इसके ऊपर click करो. Just click on that link and it will open this page. And as soon as you are on this page, okay, click on mark attendance. And यहाँ पे give 9 or 10 whatever you want to give. Whichever is your maximum score, give that maximum score to your teacher. And after that, are you interested in a 6 months long full stack program of LetsUpgrade? Yes or no? Just click yes. And if you want me to improve on something, please do this and submit your attendance. That's it. That easy it is. इतना easy है attendance mark करना LetsUpgrade के page पे. Every day you mark attendance. Every day your progress. अभी देखो 0% था, अपन ने अभी attendance mark किया. Your progress is now 20% increased. Are we clear? Are we clear? 20% your progress has increased. If you want to join WhatsApp group, please click on this link and you will join our WhatsApp group. If you want to join Telegram, just click on that link, you will join Telegram. Okay, sorted? Clear? Is it clear, every one of you? Is it clear, every one of you? Every one of you, is it clear? Okay, are you guys clear about it? Yes or no? Please tell me in the chat. Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. I am looking forward to your answer. This is how you can mark your attendance, and you can also enroll for our upcoming programs which are there here. One more thing which I want to say to every one of you, you guys can earn smartwatch, you guys can earn this headphones, earphones, and you can win a lot of Amazon coupons by referring your friends to LetsUpgrade. Click on this refer now button, copy this text and share it in all the groups where you are, at least in your college groups. You be my hero by sharing this link to all your people. They will get benefited. You will be in the top 10. If you are in the top 10 list, you will be receiving 30,000 rupees worth के gifts. Okay, so that is there. So I'm just closing this down. So I hope we are sorted with this also. Now let's just go back to C++. Okay. Why do we use C++ and all? We will come there, but I'll be referring to basic website, that is W3, for notes purposes, so that you can also use the same thing for the notes purpose. You can also use this for the notes purpose, and that is one thing. Rest you all guys can actually start coding with me from today itself. I hope that you guys are clear. Are you guys clear? Can I start the class? Can I start the class? Should I start the class? Every one of you, do I have your approval? So please tell me in the chat. Now, today's agenda. Okay, before we start, let's just put up our agenda somewhere. And okay, so C++ programming. Okay. Era H2, so agenda, device agenda. So today's agenda is intro to the program of LetsUpgrade. And also, you know what is today's agenda? Today's agenda is to complete the basics of C++ programming. Get started to write code of C++. Okay, so this is our today's agenda. Tomorrow's agenda is data types in C++, condition statements in C++. That is there. Then we have to complete loops functions. Day 3, day 2, day 1. Okay, today is this, tomorrow is this, day after tomorrow is this, day 4 you have to complete oops, day 5 remaining of oops and project. Okay, so are we clear about it? Are we clear about the agenda? Object programming, here it will be class, objects. Okay, you have got methods, you have got function overloading and various other topics which you have got. Okay, classes and methods. Okay, clear? Project में क्या बनाना है? I was like, let's build x and 0. Tic-tac-toe basically. Clear? So this is our agenda. I hope that you guys are very clear about it. Okay, so ये अपना agenda है जो अपन पढ़ाई करने वाले हैं. This is our agenda that we will be learning in these all the days. I hope this is interesting enough. Am I missing on something? Am I missing on some kind of topic? Please tell me in the chat. I will do one stuff that I will add this. I will add those topics. Okay, मैं वो सारे topics भी add कर दूंगा. किसी एक दिन पढ़ लेंगे वो भी, Sunday के दिन probably we'll learn that also. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear about it, and you want me to add any other topic, so please tell me that. Now let's get back to introduction. It's done, ये तो हो गया है. So complete the basics of C++ programming. So what is C++ programming? So आज का दिन तो theory और थोड़ा सा today it will be theory and a little bit of what we say, it will be little bit of getting started with writing our program. Tomorrow onwards it will be full on programming. So what is C++? C++ is a cross-platform language that can be used to create high performance, memory and time managed programs. That is okay. That stuff is okay. Who is the person who built C++? C++ किसने develop किया? So C++ is developed by this Bajrin Statstrup. Okay, I call him Mr. Statstrup. Okay, so he is the person who actually created C++. And in which year this C++ was created? So please tell me in the chat. In the chat, please tell me which year C++ was introduced to the world. So can you please tell me in the chat that which year C++ was introduced in? Can you please tell me in the chat? Someone is mentioning, sir, can we build one more project? Yes, we can do that also. We can do that also, but we will aim for tic-tac-toe. That is a pretty good, decent project. Okay, so I want to know the exact answer when C++ was introduced to the world. Muhammad Ali is saying 1985. That is the right answer, by the way. 1985 is when actually C++ was developed and introduced to the world. Now people will say 1972, 72, 72. It is actually, if you see that, it's not the thing. It is mostly in 1985. 2000s bhi nahi boss, not even 1990. It's not even okay, in 1997 or something. It is 1985. That's when C++ was introduced to the world. Okay, so now C++ gives programmer, this line is very important. Okay, any interview you go, they will ask you why C++ is preferred by any interviewer or any company. Okay, why are we even learning C++? So it is one of the programming languages which gives control over resources and memory. Are you guys clear about it? So it gives you a larger control on resources and memory. Are you guys clear about it? Sorted? So are you guys clear about it? So please tell me in the chat. Okay, so please tell me in the chat, every one of you. Go ahead fastly. I mean, I'm fatafat batao yaar in the chat. I want to know. Is it clear to every one of you? Resources and memory. Even if I come 2 a.m. to your house and ask you why should we learn C++? Why is it important? Because it always has a upper hand managing resources of a computer and memory of a computer, because C++ is very close to the computer hardware that we use. Okay, any programming language, you call it Java, you call it C, you call it PHP, whichever programming language in the world, they all go via root of C++ to the system. Okay, I'm clearly telling it out. Now, why use C++? Okay, first and foremost thing, it's one of the popular languages out there for object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming के लिए C++ बहुत like it's popular language out there. Number one reason. So can you guys also please type it in the chat as we also understand it here. C++ is one of the popular languages, popular programming languages. Okay, it is one of the base. It is the base language for operating systems, graphic GUIs basically, graphical user and embedded systems. ये जो point है ना, this is it is the base for OS, GUI and embedded systems. Okay, is it clear? Operating system बनते हैं, I mean like people create operating systems, graphical user interfaces and your embedded system via C++. Second reason, is it clear? I will ask every one of you. I will ask right away from Rohit Kumar in the chat to Swapnil is there, and then we have got Chetan and we have got every one of you. Divyansh, I will be asking everyone. Okay, so OS, please write down OS, GUI and embedded systems. So these are the three reasons why we have got C++. Now, one more bigger reason, it supports a object-oriented programming language. Now, what is an object-oriented programming language? Now, there is a difference between procedural programming, object-oriented programming. We'll come to these heavy words tomorrow. Clear है? Object oriented programming को ना एकदम detail में, I mean in very detail we will understand object oriented programming tomorrow. Clear? And the difference between procedural programming, object oriented programming, we'll understand it tomorrow. Don't worry about it. Okay, I will draw it nicely and I'll explain you. ठीक है? But the third advantage is it's a object oriented programming. That is the third advantage. Now, fourth advantage is C++ is super lightweight programming language. बहुत ज़्यादा lightweight है. Okay, C++ is a lightweight programming language which can be used in various systems. Okay, various systems you can actually use it. Now, when I say various systems, like you want to make your watch or like something like, for example, this is an IoT device. So this is a light. Okay, this is a light. Now in this light there is a particular sensor out there, right? So in this light there is a computer programming which is running. This computer programming, no doubt it would have been made in C++ or like some of the core languages. So C++ can be used in such a small devices also, and they can be used in devices like our computer also. So it's very much like down to the computer. Are we clear about it? Are we clear about it? इसके लिए ज़्यादा तामझाम की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Are we clear about it? So please tell me in the chat. Okay, and this is one of the very important part. Okay, C++ is fun and easy to learn. Okay, I will make you guys stand on this. I will be sticking to it. It is super fun. It is not at all any difficult programming language. ये बहुत ज़्यादा easy programming language है, which you guys will be learning. Are we clear about it? So this is a super easy programming language. It's not at all difficult, and you guys can learn it very quickly. Okay, you all will be C++ pros, और आप सभी लोग genuinely, you all the people genuinely, you will score very good marks in C++. Okay, don't worry about 5 days ka duration or something like that. If the 5 days are shooting up, don't worry, I have gonna cover each and every topic. मुझे तुम सबको अच्छे अच्छे नंबरों से पास कराना है C++ में. I want you all guys to get good marks in C++ when you go and write that exam, or when you go and sit in an interview. Okay, so I hope that this point is clear. Don't worry about you overshooting the time or something. Any which ways, we don't have anything in front of us to do, so don't worry, we'll do something. Clear? Now, what is the difference between C programming and C++ programming? Now, बहुत सारे बच्चे ना, मतलब I mean every one of us, कितने सारे लोगों को नहीं क्या इसका difference पता है? What is the difference between C and C++? Please tell me in the chat. Please tell me in the chat, what is the difference between C and C++? C और C++ का difference क्या बताओ? Tell me what is the difference between C and C++? I'm not getting any answers. Can you use C++ for a web-based programming? Boss, you can actually build servers and all with the help of C++. You can actually build it, and the fastest servers in the world are built using C++, and I'm very sure about it. Okay, so don't worry about it, we'll come to that later. And Medakar has answered it very nicely. C is a procedure oriented language. C++ is a object oriented language. Now again, the whole discussion is that, okay, the whole discussion is ki what is C and what is C++. See, C++ is a superset of, like how this guy na Kaustubh has mentioned in the chat, C++ is a superset language of C programming language. Clear है? Sorted है? C++ नहीं क्या C को अंदर रखते हो बनाया गया. C++ is built on top of C language. Are you guys clear? Number one. Number two, the major difference between C and C++ is that C++ supports object-oriented programming. Okay, it supports object-oriented programming. Are you guys clear about it? Are you guys clear about it? Sorted? Okay, so C++ supports object-oriented programming. C is a procedural programming. Tomorrow we will understand this. You guys please थोड़ा बहुत Google करके आना घर से, and we will understand that tomorrow. Okay, I hope that it's clear. Now let's just go to let's just get into programming. So we are done with the basics. So now tell me, what are the 5 advantages? Now tell me, what are the 5 advantages of C++ programming? What are the 5? Like first, tell me who is the person who is behind C++. Bajrain, or I don't know how to pronounce his name, but yeah, let's just do it now. Bajrain status stuff. Okay, so maybe I'll just go Google Translate, put up a name. Oh shit, man, what is this? English.
Bajarne Straustrup.
Okay, Bajarne status Shaman.
Bajarne Straustrup.
Bjarne Stroustrup. This is the person name. In which year
Bjarne Stroustrup.
actually developed C++? So tell me in the chat. Okay, so Bjarne Stroustrup, in which year did he develop C or he introduced C++ to the world? So please tell me in the chat. It's 1985. Good, nice, amazing. And Bjarne Stroustrup in 1985 actually introduced us to C++. That's fun. Now, what are the 5 advantages? Like how Divyesh Bhati has mentioned, it's object-oriented programming. Okay, and it is very speed and close to the hardware. Okay, it's portable. It can be used in any kind of devices, where you want to take it up, and it's easy to learn. It's no rocket science. Okay, and one more thing, which I closely wanted to mention. There is a huge demand for C++ programmers till now in the world. Okay, there's a huge demand. Okay, so at Bell Lab, very good. Shubhangi, amazing. Brownie points for you for mentioning out that one good thing, that is at Bell Labs, Bjarne Stroustrup had developed C++. Good. And now let's just get started to write code in C++. Okay, so we will be using something like, यार बहुत सारे चीज़ें खुले हैं मेरे पास एक साथ. I'm like shit, I have got so much open. So yeah, Rippleit, I'll be using Rippleit. Okay, so Rippleit is one of the online code compilers जो कि which are used specifically for, you know what, for writing code in a browser. Okay, I don't know if you all guys have good computers or like good PCs or what, or many of you guys may be using learning programming with the help of their mobile phone right now. Don't worry, you can use your mobile phone to even code. So you can use something like this. I'll create a C++ ka Rippleit. So just select C++ and it will come, and I will name it like C++ essentials. Okay, and I'm making it public. So yep, here it is. I'm just making one C++ का program. That's it. See, ये बन गया अपना एक छोटा सा C++ का program. Clear है? Sorted है? So even the people who are learning via mobile, it is okay. We are using something known as Rippleit. So मैं store कर देता हूँ इसको यहाँ पे. I'll store it here. So Rippleit.com. This is the link. I will share you this link at the end of the whole thing. Now let's get into thoda sa programming. Okay, so the very first thing which we want to code, you know what is that? I want to say hi to you all via C++ code. Okay, clear hai? Clear? Okay, so this is my very first assignment which I want to do right now in front of you all. Kya okay hai? Are you guys with me? Please tell me in the chat if you guys are with me. I want to say hi to you all via C++ code. Okay, so it's already there. So before saying that, let's understand C++ ka coding standards thoda sa. Okay, so I will maybe we should refer these notes first. Get started. So this is the very first programming thing. Now here hash include IOStream is a library. Okay, hash include IOStream is a library. Are you guys with me? Hash include IOStream is a library. ये library करता क्या है? ये library, this library is already developed in C++ language. Okay, which you can use it for your purposes, for your input and output purpose. Abhi, now what is a programming language? A programming language is used to manipulate data. When I say manipulate data, you have got tons of data. Like you have got number, you have got decimal numbers, you have got word, you have got sentences, you have got true false, you have got these all data in with you. Yes, agree with me, yes or no? Agree with me, yes or no? So where actually programming languages are used in our real life? Where do you think they are used in our real life? Tell me that first. Then we will start writing a code. कोड लिखने के पहले ना कोड क्यों लिखना है वो जानना ज़रूरी है. Before writing a code, let's understand why the hell we should write a code. Why? What is the necessary? What is the necessary? All the rowdies here, I want to understand why should we write code? Why? What is the necessary? The necessary, I'll tell you. Whenever you want to solve a real life problem, like how here Akshat, Jayan and Chetan are mentioning, to solve some real life problem where lots of data is involved, taking lots of data and decompiling from that data, understanding what should we do. मतलब एक इंसान का ब्रेन जो है ना, to do a repetitive task, it is slow. Okay, I'll give you one of the best example when the programming actually started in the world. इस दुनिया में प्रोग्रामिंग का यूज़ कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ पता है आपको? It started in World War II. Okay, World War II. Enigma machine. Okay, if you don't know what is Enigma machine, you all know Hitler. Hitler used to send messages to U-boats. U-boats are basically submarines and various other places using this Enigma machine. Enigma machine is basically a machine which can encrypt and decrypt a message based on certain combinations. Matlab, you just have to select certain things here, and whichever normal message, if you write hi how are you, it will convert it into some other characters and it will send it to the submarines and everywhere else. So only Hitler and Hitler's army can use it. Rest everyone, they don't know, pata hi nahi unko kuch. So that's where the Enigma machine came into picture. World War II में ये use होता था. I hope that you guys are with me. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? So please tell me in the chat. Are you guys with me? So are you guys loving what I'm teaching right now? Are you guys hating what I'm teaching right now? So please tell me into the in the chat. So that's where the very first encryption decryption started. To crack this encryption and decryption, to crack this जो encrypt हो रहा है secret code, इसको decrypt करने के लिए ना, a team led by Alan Turing. Okay, a team led by Alan Turing. ये इन्होंने क्या किया पता है? Like what this person did? This is a person who led the whole team which can crack this Enigma code, which is developed by Enigma Machine. Okay, Alan Turing decrypted the code, which was he and his team decrypted the whole code of Enigma, and that's where to do multiple repetitive tasks. क्योंकि एनिग्मा कोड को डिक्रिप्ट करने के लिए ना एक 2-3 चीज़ें थी जो बार बार करनी पड़ती थी. आई मीन अ प्रोसीजरल स्टफ, आई मीन 4-5 थिंग्स विच यू हैड टू डू every time, every 10 seconds you should do something like that. For that, so many combination permutation need to run. अभी वो ना human brain can't do it. Human brain just can't do that so many times permutation combination kind of thing. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Alan Turing is a person who developed a procedure to decrypt Enigma code. एनिग्मा कोड डिक्रिप्ट करने के लिए एक प्रोसीजर लगता था, वो प्रोसीजर को रिपीट करना होता था. अभी नाउ व्हेन अ पर्सन was not able to do it manually, that's where they thought of using programming language. Okay, programming language that was known as Turing machine. Okay, the very first, this is the first computer in the world, and इसमें ना first programming किया जाता था. Okay, so please actually go and watch the movie known as Imitation Game. The Imitation Game. It is the best movie I can recommend as your teacher today before you get into the programming world. इस programming world में आने से पहले you just please go ahead and learn about the Alan Turing machine, okay, the Alan Turing computer, or like at least watch a movie that is known as The Imitation Game, like how in the chat Aditya is suggesting us. I hope that you all guys will watch that movie today. I don't know, it's available. Imitation Game, The Imitation Game. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी मूवी है. आई डोंट नो किस पे अवेलेबल है ये. इट्स ऑन प्राइम आई थिंक. अमेजॉन प्राइम का सब्सक्रिप्शन तो होगा ही सबके पास. जस्ट गो वॉच इट. ओके, क्लियर, सॉर्टेड. नाउ लेट्स गेट बैक टू द टॉपिक. ओके, लेट्स गेट बैक टू द टॉपिक. सो to do various repetitive tasks which humans can get tired at, that's where your computers started coming up. Now computers को रन करने के लिए ना उसको कमांड देना होता था. I mean to run computers, you need to command them. Now you can't command them in only one language. You can command them in various languages. So one of the languages, that is C++ programming language. I hope all dear rowdies who are going to be rowdy in C++ programming after this program are understanding it. Okay, so C++ programming is one of the programming languages which is basically used to do what? To actually give commands to the computer. Okay, so whichever command you give to the computer will perform it and it will show you in a form of input or output. Okay, I hope that you guys are with me. Are you guys with me? Yes. My first command which I want to give to my computer is to say hi everyone using C++. I hope that I'm making this class super understandable. So please give me rating out of 10 in the chat if you guys are understanding it. Okay, so yeah. So my first command, my first command to my C++ program is to say hi to every one of you all. Okay, clear? All my rowdies, are you guys clear? So batao yaar फटाफट. Are you guys clear? Okay, fine. If you guys are clear, so I want to say hi to you all guys with the help of C++. Now let's understand how the hell can we do that first hi hello using C++. Okay, to interact with my computer's input output terminal. Basically, see, in C++, right, you have got a place where to write a code. यहाँ पे आपका code लिखा जाएगा. Here you will write a code. See, the code extension is .cpp. Please write it down in the chat. .cpp is your file extension of a C++ program. What's the file extension of a C++ program? It is .cpp. Please tell me in the chat if it is clear to every one of you. सब लोग यहाँ देख रहे हैं, पता है, ऑफिस में मैंने जोर से मार दिया ना टेबल पे, तो सॉरी, बट ये .cpp is the file extension. You can write the code in .cpp and you can run the code in a console. Okay, you can run the code in a console. Okay, ये console है, ये console में आपका output दिखेगा, input जाएगा. ठीक है, done. Now to control this input and output, to control input and output in your console, इस console के अंदर input output को control करने के लिए you need a special functionality. Your C++ program needs a certain functionality. What is that certain functionality? That certain functionality is this: hash include IOStream. IOStream is an inbuilt library. IOStream is an inbuilt library of code. IOStream is an inbuilt library of code which is used to control the console ka input output. Are you guys clear about this? Like IOStream, there are so many other header files which are there. So these things are known as header files. Are you guys with me? So please tell me in the chat if you guys are with me. These are known as header files. Clear hai? Sorted hai? Done hai? I hope that you guys are able to understand what I'm teaching. Okay, so अपन ने क्या सीखा .cpp के अंदर सबसे the very first line that you need to write is header file. The header file that I want to use right now is to show output or input on my console. To do that, I need to use a header file known as IOStream. Clear? I hope that I am very much clear to every one of you who are in the class right now. Now, going one step ahead, I'll be using this using namespace std. Now, what is this line? ये line क्या है? तुम homework में बताओगे मुझे, ठीक है? This is your homework. This is your today's homework. The person who will explain me the best, I'm gonna note down your name. I don't know if you all know this. The best student whom I like in this whole cohort will win a smartwatch. Okay, I am going to give away a smartwatch on day 5 of the program. The person who is going to stick around for 5 days and who is going to help me like interact with me the best, he is going to get a smartwatch. Okay, she or he is going to get a smartwatch. Okay, so whosoever the person is, please who will give the best answer tomorrow explaining this, they have the higher chances of winning a smartwatch. Okay, clear? So tomorrow 8 p.m. please be there, and using namespace std. Now in using namespace std क्या है मुझे वो बताओ, ठीक है? So I want to know what is this. Now I will just go one step ahead and I'll write down void main. Okay, void main. Void main की जगह पे int main. Sorry, void main नहीं आएगा, int main आएगा, ठीक है? So int main. Now what is this int main? Again, it's a tomorrow homework. I'm not going to answer it now. Tomorrow it is homework. Okay, so you are going to explain me. My first command that I'm going to give to this C++ program, this C++ program is what, you know, is to print. To print, so to print something on the screen, there is a command that is cout. Okay, cout. Here the message, ये वाला part message रहेगा. cout, hi everyone, I hope you liked this class. Okay, so this is my message. I'm like cout, and this is my message. This is a output operator, and I'm like, whenever you are done with a line of code, you need to put a semicolon. Okay, you need to put a semicolon. Clear? You need to put a semicolon. That's it. See, इतना ही है कोड, बस इतना ही कोड है, राइट? समझ गए? बस इतना ही कोड है भाइयों, और कुछ कोड नहीं है. This is the code. That's it. And you just go run this. आपको यहाँ जाना है, बस रन करना है. And you will see कंट्रोल के ऊपर, कंसोल के ऊपर, on console you will start seeing your output. Hey everyone, I hope you like this class. Done. We gave the very first command in our life to a C++ computer that print whatever I say on the screen. मैं तेरा मालिक हूँ, मुझे print करके बता मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. So this is where the very first line of code that we have printed. Okay, first line of sentence that we have printed. I want to print one more sentence. What is that I want to print? Cout. Did you press the like button? Okay, मुझे ये करना है. Again semicolon. This time I want to print this. Okay, I want to print this. I am running this out, and let's see now. Okay. Oh, there is a Goofup. The Goofup is, Hey everyone, I hope you like this class. Did you press the like button? These both are now coming in one line. I want to now separate it in two lines. Okay, मुझे ना C++ को बताना है. I want to, in the console, I want to print these as two different sentences. Okay, मुझे ये दोनों को अलग अलग print करना है. I want to print these both as two separate sentences. What will I do? I will just do one single thing. Okay, C out and L. Okay, now C out and L is used. Okay, C out and L is used for a new line or like end line. So basically that if you don't want to use C out and L, there is one more way to do this. C out \n. Okay, this will also give you a new line. This will also get you a new line, but you know what, I need to have double quotes instead of a single quote, for it's a string. So yep, so now let's just run it. अब तो दो एंटर हो जाने चाहिए. ठीक है, एक एंटर दूसरा एंटर. सो नाउ सी टू न्यू लाइन्स आर देयर. वाओ, अर्नव राजेश इज लाइक गुड. Good boy, yeah. So no, I'll not say good boy and all. Very good, thank you, and thank you for helping me. Shubhangi also, and Divyansh Bhati also. Good job, every one of you. Jatin, you also. Fine. I mean, thank you for answering, and that's it. See, now we have got a small piece of C++ code. A C++ code. In our C++ code, मेरे C++ के code के अंदर I can print the first line and I can print the second line. That's it. That's what my C++ code is doing right now. Okay, I want to do even better job यार. मुझे ना इसको थोड़ा even I want to even take it to next level. I want to do, you know what, I want to do something like data processing. I want to store tons of data in my C++ program and I want to process it. मुझे उसको process भी करना है. How can I do that? I want to store integers, I want to store decimal number, I want to store sentences, I want to store characters, I want to store समझ गया ना. अगर मुझे कंप्यूटर को यूज़ करके इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू यूज़ दिस पर्टिकुलर कंप्यूटर जो मेरे सामने है, आई वॉन्ट टू यूज़ दिस कंप्यूटर टू डू डेटा प्रोसेसिंग. व्हेन आई से डेटा प्रोसेसिंग, आई वॉन्ट दिस कंप्यूटर टू कैलकुलेट 1818 to the power of 1000. I want this computer to calculate that for me. So yes, C++ has a power to do that, but how to do that? कैसे करना है? That is where we will be understanding data types tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow's our whole job is to understand data types, play with data types. Okay, primary data types and secondary data types both. Okay, so let me write it down. In the chat. Primary and secondary data types. Primary data types and secondary data types. I want to do that. Play with data types. Then condition statements. मतलब if this happened then what, if not happened then what, and so many other things. Okay, which I want to do tomorrow. So I hope that you guys are going to continue this class tomorrow. Please share about the C++ program in your college so that your college students can also score good marks in their exams, C++ exams. Not only that, but they can do good in their interviews. Show them that how cool you are, that you are studying with LetsUpgrade, and I hope you all are learning something which is way more valuable, and it will work it out. Okay, so I hope that whatever I'm teaching in a good way. So tomorrow's agenda is this. Tomorrow we will cover this, guys. Okay, and I'm gonna share all the notes with you. So love you a lot. Thank you for being a part of this C++ program. And thank you, Ayan Trivedi, for saying print. Thank you. That's a C++ का, sorry, C programming का है वो, ठीक है, scanf, printf kind of. But you know what? More than teaching you guys C++ and all, I want to thank you all for helping me grow this mission or vision of quality developers in India are required, and for that they should know that programming and development is easy, and you guys can help me reach out to your colleges, students and all. So help me being promoting Let's Upgrade into your colleges, and just go to letsupgrade.in, then go to refer and earn. So please copy this message, okay, and share it with your friends and family members. Okay, so you can basically see how these people are leading in the game right now. So just go ahead and share it with as many people as possible, so that you can also take it ahead. Okay, so thanks a lot, everyone, and we will take it from there. Okay, bye bye, thank you, and meet you all guys tomorrow 8 p.m. okay, on YouTube channel. Subscribe to this, share it with 1,000 people, whomsoever you know. Okay, love you all, and let's meet tomorrow. I mean, let me just switch the camera. Whoa, nice. It was nice teaching you all till now. कल देखते हैं, कल मज़ा आएगा और. Okay, bye bye, take care, have a nice day, and I am in Bombay. If you want to meet me in Bombay, so please tell me. I am available 24/7 यार मिलने के लिए. I am available on Sundays, Saturdays and all. So anytime you can come to office. My office you can search out. It's in Platinum Techno Park 101 Vashi, Navi Mumbai. You can come to Platinum Techno Park anytime, and I'll be the happiest person to have you all here. Okay, so thanks a lot everyone for joining in, and let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day. Bye guys, take care, have a nice day. Bye bye, love you all. Bye, take care, have a nice day.